Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome back sa channel natin. It is currently 12:21 in the afternoon and today is Webes. Today is Thursday. Ikaw na ba? Say hi to Tito and Tita na ko. Hello everyone. How are we? I'm driving. As you can see, nandito kami sa sasakyan. And we are just outside the medical clinic. Okay, careful anak. Kakatapos lang namin guys. And I thought dito natin simulan yung vlog. Hindi ako nakapag-vlog kaninang umaga nung papunta sa Paris sa school and all kasi hectic ang buhay ng mami niyo. And yung rason na nandito kami, so actually the last time na nag-vlog ako was over a week ago. I remember, I think if I'm not mistaken, nung nung nagising kami ni Baby Celine si Baby Celine nagising ng 2 o'clock and yeah, she was not well, remember? And until now, she's better, I'd say. Kasi parang ina-appreciate ko ngayon yung mga maliliit lang na mga tawag dito guys, maliliit na progress ni Baby Celine natin. So it's been over 2 weeks now since Celine has been sick. And oh my god, seriously guys, mukhang tao pa bang mami niyo guys? So it means like it's been over 2 weeks as well na wala tayong saktong tulog, na pag nagising tayo ng 2 o'clock ng umaga, wala na, hindi na tayo nakakabalik ng tulog. So wala nang suklay and all. But yeah, the reason why we're here guys is because pina-check ulit si Baby Celine. To be honest guys, this is the 3rd time na dinala ko si Baby Celine sa doktor. Yes, can you believe it? 3 times. So last week, ginoo ko nabasa na to dali. So last week pumunta kami sa isang doktor, hindi dito. Doon sa kung saan siya vaccine. Ay, immunization niya. Hindi pala vaccine. Oh, yun, design na ba yan? And, nang pumunta kami doon, guys, kasi nga, diba, she's having this fever and cough. And, yung sipon niya, guys, grabe yung sipon niya talaga. I can't believe it. Kung saan nanggaling yung sipon niya, guys. Like, baldi-baldi na sipon. So, I went there, and then, sabi ng doktor, it's just cold. And I think it was also teething kasi she was drooling a lot and parang nagmamaga yung gums niya sa taas. So she's got more teeth coming through sa taas. Ngayon, check nila yung yung temperature and all. So it always happen guys na kapag pupunta kami ng doktor, walang lagnat. So normally kasi yung lagnat niya is during the night. Anyways, sabi ng doktor sa amin, she can't give us anything na to make Baby Celine feel better quicker. Kasi it's cold, it happens, and especially, with babies, kasi hindi pa sanay yung katawan nila sa mga viruses na naglalaganap sa society. Kaya yun, so we went home. Obviously, kahit na I'm worried, but yeah, I went home, like happy knowing that there's nothing serious, sabi ng doctor. So she checked the ear, kung may infections, checked the throat, yung chest, chinek, and yun na nga, clear yung kanyang chest. So they said, the doctor said there's nothing to worry about. Anyways, we went home, and then it happened again, sunod-sunod na ang kanyang lagnat. Like, every night, hanggang umaga na siya, guys. Actually nga, nung weekend, ay parang from night to morning talaga ang init niya. Tapos, she's just tired, and you can tell from her eyes na sobrang namumugto na yung kanyang mata, guys, kasi she always cries. She is restless, coughing, and yung yung cold nga na walang ka dry na cold. ay nandun. So, sabi ko sa sarili ko, I'm really worried now, especially yung fever niya, yung temperature niya is, you know, sunod-sunod na nga, mga 3 gabi ata. So, pumunta kami dito. Ito talaga yung doctor na pinupuntahan namin since nag-move kami dito sa Brisbane. And then we came here and then sabi niya, it's the same thing guys. Nung pumunta ako dito, sabi ko, I'm here for second opinion. And you know what? He told me it's the same thing. It's, you know, it's cold. Tinanong niya ako kung meron bang kapatid na pumupunta sa kindergarten or school. And I said like, yeah. I said like, that's why. Kasi normally guys, ay shush anak. Doon kasi talaga nakukuha. Oh, okay, we'll get the food back. We'll get the food back. Doon talaga kasi nakukuha sa kindergarten ang virus na yan. Here's the food, here's the food. Yum. Yum. Yum, yum, yum. Uy, hala. So, sa kindergarten nakukuha yung mga virus na yan. So, sabi niya, it is very normal na tawag dito, magkasakit siya kasi nga diba, nag-start yun kay Ate Paris guys, na si Ate Paris ay umuwi, she's got cold and cough from kindergarten, and then nung naging okay na siya, si Baby Paris ay si Baby Celine yung nagkasakit. So pinasa niya kay Baby Celine. So yun yung sabi ng doktor, sabi niya it's always gonna happen na pag naging okay na si Celine, maybe si Paris na naman yung hindi maging okay kasi they just keep tawag dito, giving it to each other. Okay. Here you go. Pasensya na guys ha, kasi she wants to move. Chika pa kasi si mama eh. So, yeah, we went home. The same thing, sabi niya na he can't give anything to make Celine feel better, you know, like more rest, make sure that she's taking, you know, like enough fluid in her body, and, you know, make sure she's eating as well. And then, she was not into eating at all. Diba, sobrang, in love siya sa papagkain niya, guys, as she loves food. But then, last few days, she's not really into it. She's not feeling it. So, sabi niya, like, rest lang, cuddles, and all. So, umuwi kami, wala na naman. So, yun yung sabi niya. But, yung sabi ng doktor, come back if she develops rashes. So, nung umuwi kami from here, nung Tuesday night, doon ko napansin na meron ng mga butlig-butlig sa likuran niya. And then yesterday, nagkumalat na. Pakita tita na. I'll just share some photos, guys. So, kumalat na sa buong katawan niya, guys. And then today, it started crawling to her face and her head, sa kanyang neck. Kaya doon ako nag-alala. Nag-book ako kaagad kahapon ulit to come here today. So, that's why, nandito kami, guys. Kakalabas lang namin. And I'm happy, even though, yun na nga, it's, you know, she's not 100%, but I'm happy that there's nothing serious. Kasi nga, diba, natakot tayo pag nag-start ng mag-rashes, guys. Especially, sabi ng doktor, chinek niya kaagad yung parang ginagano niya yung rashes ni Baby Celine. So, kapag ganito daw na rashes na ganito, na kapag tinatouch mo, ganun, tapos, parang, it goes back, like, parang pumuputi siya, ay, yan yung viral rashes. So, virus, guys, ewan ko kung paano nangyari, but yan daw yun eh. So, yung kinakatakutan daw na rashes, guys, is yung kapag kinakapa mong ganyan, tapos hindi siya nag-change ng kulay, or purple siya, yun yung kinakatakutan na rashes. Kasi yun yata yung meningococcal na disease. But in Celine's case naman, guys, I think, viral rashes. And, minsan lumalabas kapag tapos na yung fever. Kasi after nung fever niya, guys, ito talaga, wala na siyang fever, pero may rashes na naman siya. The doctor said it might take 5 to 7 days bago mawala tong rashes na to. Sabi ko, it doesn't matter as long as she's fine. Kasi, starting nang lumabas tong rashes niya na to, guys, like, she became happier. Even though, hindi pa rin siya 100%, pero, naging siya, umingiti na siya, and she's been eating, like, she had breakfast today, But yeah, during the night, paiyak-iyak pa rin siya, guys. So, kahapon, 2 o'clock, gising na si mami niyo hanggang umaga na. Tapos kagabi, hindi ko na ma-open yung aking mata, guys. Mga 9 o'clock, hindi ko na ma-open. Gusto na talagang matulog yung mata ko, guys. Maganon ako kay Daddy Mike. I need to go to bed now. And, so, yeah. So, luckily, Daddy Mike was there to look after Paris and take Paris, tuck Paris into bed. Kasi si mami niyo ay paguda na talaga ang beauty ng mama niyo, guys. And then, kanina, anong oras ba to siya nagising? Pagising-gising siya, guys, paiyak-iyak ba? Tapos, umubo siya kaninang umaga, and then, sinuka niya kasi siguro may, yung throat niya. Nagsuka siya. So, naliko kami ng suka sa bed. So, nagising na si mami niyo, hindi na nakatulog, and then to siya, bumalik siya ng tulog, guys. Pero kailangan ko siyang hawakan kasi nagigising siya kapag nilalapag ko siya. Hello? What happened na? We got your food. Fell down, man. Fell down. Yeah. You hold it. It's been a tiring last few weeks for mama, guys. But laban lang talaga tayo, guys. No, we've got no choice. I'm just very happy that, seeing her smile again. Parang nakakalimutan ko na, guys. Uy, nawala akong tulog. Buti na lang, Daddy Mike is always there. Even though, pag nag-work si Daddy Mike, guys, umiiyak si Baby Celine, ay idadala ko si Baby Celine sa lounge room. So, para makatulog si Daddy Mike and Ate Paris kasi nag-school din. But, kapag weekend ganun, nagigising si Baby Celine, kinukuha ni Daddy Mike, nilalagay niya sa kanyang chest ba para makatulog si Baby Celine, para makapahinga din ako. Nak, no. Ay, shush! Oh, okay. Lala. Hi, Tito. I'm feeling better na. Seriously, guys, like, hopefully it's road to getting better na si Baby Celine natin. Like, seriously, Diyos ko. Tulungan niyo po kami. Si mami niyo nga ay Hagardo versus sana niya si mami niya. Mom. Where would you like to go now? Okay, guys, time check tayo. It is 1:16 in the afternoon. And, nandito tayo ngayon sa harapan ng Salisbury Collision Center. So, nandito tayo kasi since Baby Celine is sleeping, napag-isipan ko na dumiretso na lang dito, guys. Kasi from the clinic papunta dito ay around 20 minutes drive. So, andito tayo ngayon para kumuha ng quote sa ating sasakyan. So, remember yung sasakyan natin na bangga. And, pumunta ako doon sa, not sure kung napanood nyo yung video na yun, guys. So, ang ating sasakyan ay binangga, hindi ba? Oh my goodness. Seriously, itong mga pangyayaring ito, guys, na-stress si lola nyo. So, pumunta ako doon sa isang magko-quote ng kung na how much sa pagpapaayos ng sasakyan para isend nila sa insurance nung nakabangga ng sasakyan natin. So ngayon, tumawag sa akin yung insurance. Sabi nila, it looks like it's very expensive daw. And I'm thinking maybe yung nag-quote ay siguro pinasobraan ba, kahit na hindi talaga malaki yung sira, ay ginawang malaki yung sira para mas mahal yung babayaran. For me, guys, for us, sa amin ni Daddy Mike, walang problema kasi we're not paying for it. So yun yung insurance ng nakabangga na sasakyan natin. So sabi niya, is it okay if they'll get another quote? So sila yung magpo-provide ng kumpanya kung saan ako pupunta for another quote kasi it looks like it's very expensive daw dun sa isa. Sabi niya, is that okay with you? Otherwise, bibigyan na lang daw nila kami ng pera kung gusto talaga naming i-fix nung first place na pinuntahan ko. They will just pay us cash and then we'll go there ourselves. But then, obviously, kasi nga sobrang mahal, hindi siguro nila i-cover lahat. So for me, sabi ko sa kanya, wala namang problema kahit kung sino yung mag-fix as long as maayos yung sasakyan namin. Kasi, hindi ko naman talaga kakilala yung pinuntahan namin first, 'di ba? And, the main thing is, maayos yung sasakyan and I don't care kung saan and how much kasi sila naman yung magbabayad. Sabi niya, oh okay, so that's fine then, can you go to this place kung saan ako ngayon. And then I've been organizing time to come here, guys, but then since baby Celine is not very well, so palaging napopostpone. And kanina pagkatapos kong nag-vlog doon, nakatulog si baby Celine, so I decided na I'll just kill 2 birds with 1 stone since nasa sasakyan na kami at hindi ko alam kung kailan kami ulit makakapunta this way. So tinawagan ko yung place na sabi ko, is it okay if I can come now? Hindi na kailangan mag-book ba? And then sabi niya, it's okay, just call in. So like, oh my god, okay, thank you. So since tulog pa ng ating baby Celine, kakapark ko lang, guys. Siguro pupunta ako doon para doon siguro nila i-check ba. Kasi ang nakalagay dyan ng customer parking office clerks. Ayun na siguro yung babae na kinausap ko sa phone. Ayan. So doon tayo pupunta siguro. Okay, let's do it, guys. Ayan, guys. Hi, how are you?
Hi, how are you?
I'm Jersey. Nice to meet you.
How are you?
Good.
What are we looking at?
Yeah, this one here.
Okay, I'll get you to get it out of here so I can image it up. Just park it
Sure.
over here for me.
No worries. Where is Celine? Guess where we are, guys.
What's up?
Treat ko ang ating sarili, guys. Filipina food. Yes. May music, hindi tayo makapag-vlog, ha? Tayo copyright tayo. So get something to eat. Hi. How are you feeling, my love? Huh? Still thinking? Are you still thinking? Tingnan nyo, guys, sobrang dami nilang kakanin dyan. Papakita ko mamaya. Hirap kasi may music, guys. Hindi makapag-vlog ng bonggang-bongga. Nak na?
My strawberry kisses.
Time check! It is 4 something ng hapon. 4 something ng hapon. Nasa sasakyan pa rin kami, guys. Pagkatapos naman kanina doon sa Filipina restaurant, ay pumunta kami dito. Isang off shop na malapit lang doon ba. Like 3 minutes lang galing doon. Ito yung binili ko from the Filipino shop, Filipino restaurant. Hindi talaga ako nakakain ng bonggang-bongga doon, guys, kasi ito siya ipayak-iyak na. Alam niyo naman, she wouldn't want to stay still. So, binilisan ko na yung pagkain ko. Hindi ko nga natapos yung aking halo-halo. Iniwan ko na lang doon. And then, bumili ako ng kutsinta na may, cheese. Sarap tingnan, guys. And dinala ko yung sobrang bulalo. Kasi sayang naman, guys. Alam niyo ba, $22 ata yun. Hindi ko naubos kasi sobrang laki ng servings ba. Kaya, dalhin ko na lang sa bahay. Ito siya, kasi paiyak-iyak na to. Sleepy na ba? Pinadedicate ko bago kami, alis. So, from here, we'll go pick up Ate Paris from kindergarten. So, anong oras na? Nakno? Langga siya mga baby. Shush, yun yung kanyang pula-pula. Hindi masyadong pula today. Kahapon, sa kanyang katawan, sobrang pulang-pula. Here you go. Here you go. Here you go. Very tricky na naman to ngayon, guys, pag uwi. Kasi paiyak-iyak na naman to siya ba. Hintayin ko muna siguro na parang maano siya, sleepy. Nakno, yung parang maidlip kunti ba? Para hindi siya paiyak-iyak. Kasi alam niyo ba, na-stress ako kapag nagdadrive ako na may umiiyak sa likuran. Nakno, hindi ako makapag-focus ba? I will show you what we got for Celine. Everything is for Celine, guys. Kasi, pang warm niya ba? Pang winter niya. Bumili kami sa op-shop. Oh. First time ko sa op-shop na to. Not bad. Maganda yung nila. Sobrang lucky. Pero hindi ako nakatingin sa iba. Diretso na ako dun sa pangbata. Kasi gusto kong bilang si Celine. Tingnan niyo, oh. Anak, be. Go down a little bit, anak, be. Uy, hala, anak ko. Careful, anak. Kak. Here, oh. First is this. Denim jacket. Cute. Tapos, may knitwear na pink. And then, isang onesie. Like, ganyan. Pangtulog niya ba? Hirap nitong, mag-haul na may bata, And then, top. Cute, diba? Ang nakalagay is, mini dada. And then, this one, super cute. Hello Kitty. Hello Kitty ba ito? Rong, grabe yung pagkagarong kayo. Hell, I don't know. Printa. Last one is this. Very nice. And you know what this is? Ralph Lauren. Polo. Gotta make a move, okay? We have to go home now. Lini, say bye-bye, tita and tito. Say bye-bye. It's a beautiful life. Oh, it's a beautiful life. Oh. Natatawa siya, nakita niya yung sarili niya ba? Toy magic wand.
Is it home now?
Oh, the one Daddy bought for you?
Yeah.
I'm not sure. We'll go have a look, okay?
Yeah.
Where is this?
I'm so sad because I want to look when it dies.
Yes. Hey, say hi, say hi. Very excited siya, guys, kasi may bucket filler daw po na siya. Today, bucket filler is like, like a best kid for the day.
If you be bad, super bad, you're gonna be a bucket dipper. You have to dip all the bucket first out.
Really?
To someone else, if you be more badder.
Oh, right.
Oh, and Miss Maria wasn't here today, but we didn't play.
Why?
We didn't play at the.
Is she okay? Is she sick?
No.
No?
He
Celine.
was sick last time. He was sick last time.
Yeah. So who give you a bucket filler?
Miss Maria.
Who?
Miss Maria.
But didn't you say she's not here today? Lini, careful na. Lini, uy, maambak man dahil diritso. Here, this is yours, oh. That's yours. Ayan you guys. Hello. Alam niyo ba, tulog yan siya?
This is all
Nilabas
my
niya.
bucket fillers.
Woke her up, baby. So how many have you got now?
1,
8? It was 7 last time. 2,
3, 4.
Oh, what's this? Ah, it says, hang on, June 9, bucket filler champ.
9.
9? Takara ka diha, 9 kakalit. It's 5, uy.
Oh. 7.
6,
8.
7. Taka naman ka na.
9.
Taka. Careful, nak.
I dropped it. 10.
job.
Read them all.
Oh, yeah. Paris is a star for eating all her lunch and participating in all activities. Miss Maria, wow.
I just put this back.
That's so cool, honey.
Drop the
Tignan niyo
pen.
guys, ayun o. Today's bucket fillers are Nothing at the Paris.
Can
Do that, nakbe. Do that. Pose, nakbe. Like that. Ay. Ang ilong.
cute.
Wait, show me again. What was for lunch?
Noodles with sauce.
Noodles with sauce.
I'm not lying.
Okay.
Is my nose growing?
No, so you're not lying. That's good.
I hated those. Can you read them all?
Ay, I'm gonna one by one. It's getting dark now.
Can you
Oh,
read?
have a look outside. Oh,
Can you read one more?
the one more yet.
Okay, I'm just gonna find my one.
Ginising ko, iiyak na naman yan siya ngayon ipasok sa sasakyan.
Is this the one? Is this the one Miss Maria did?
No, this is Miss Ranga. Paris is a star for being brave,
No,
not
not
crying.
that one. I want to do the other one before when I got my bucket for today. Is this the one?
Okay.
Is that the one?
Now this is for Miss Ranga.
Is
This is
this
for
the
Miss
one?
Amo.
And this is
Ling Ling.
this one?
Ling Ling. This is for Miss Ranga.
Oh no. This one?
This is for Miss Ranga.
This one?
This is
Is
for
that
Miss
right?
Kate.
Oh. Is this the one?
This is for Miss Kate.
Is this the one?
This is from Miss Maria. Paris is a star for eating all her lunch and participating in all activities. Yay! Okay, put it back now.
Can
Good
we
job.
read the lot? Well, let's come back tomorrow.
When it's not dark. Because Mama's scared when it's dark.
I'm not scared in the dark.
Ay, okay, come on, let's go get your bag.
Just kidding.
Celine! Celine!
I got 10 buckets for this.
Give Celine a karo, anak. So, are you okay now, Lini?
I used my sunscreen.
Come on, sweetheart.
I used my sunscreen.
Good girl. Did you? Who put sunscreen on you today?
I put it by myself.
Did you? Big girl. Come on.
This friend that just gave me another haircut.
Good job, sweetie
I just
girl.
made a haircut funny.
Where?
This way.
Ah, that one.
Yeah.
Hair tie.
Yeah, just close off my.
Oh yeah, you didn't bring hair tie today, did you? Okay, put it here. Put it in the bag.
Can you?
Where's your water bottle?
My water bottle?
Hmm.
Oh no, I left it.
Where? It's outside.
And it was inside there, in the other room.
Ah, okay. That's okay. We can just leave it there. We'll get it on Tuesday.
Yeah, I didn't get into shit. I'm not going to. Should I get a little sunscreen?
Take it off, babe.
You see two legs.
Can she see you now?
Yeah.
Get out now.
I can't
Ang saan na?
I'm just doing a puppy
Girl.
pose.
Dito na. Girls just wanna have fun. Oh, girl. Ka-arty gito bata. Ka-arty gito ay. How about Aline, babe? Ling Ling! How are you, anak? Uy! Is that Aline? Tignan nyo, oh. Meron pa sa kanyang liig, guys, oh. Pula-pula. Tingin tayo, mag-ano tayo. Luto tayo ng boil tayo ng itlog. Daddy Mike is there. He is still working. Time now is 6:22 in the evening. How are you, Daddy?
Good. Tired.
How's your day?
Yeah, that was good. How's yours? What's my daughter?
Kadali. 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 Tingnan nyo, ngingiti ito. Kiss na lang, Daddy. Kiss. Ay, no! Allah! You're letting Daddy down, nak. The camera. Lawan bitaw kung wala yung camera, ah. Gabi kaayo mo. Dut sayang papa. Oo wa, oo wa. Palangga ang kaya bata eh. I-sterilize ko yung kanyang water bottle. Lock ba? So it's clean. So it's clean. Okay. Okay. Alright. We'll boil egg. Ate Paris wants some more biscuit. You want biscuit? Oh, good catch, mommy. Grabe guys, tuhod na sa catch ba? Tuhod. Ate And then, we'll get Celine's.
I just come here.
I'm gonna come here. Okay.
I come here.
Should be alright now. Okay, yeah, water ba? We'll put water. Hang on, it's still very hot. Oy! Ow! Hot. So, mag-boil kami ng egg. Guys, here's the egg na ko. Egg is live. Yeah. Oh, careful. We have to boil it first before we eat it, okay? We'll boil for, it's gonna be 1, 2, 1 egg, 2 eggs. Mama. See, 3 eggs, 4 eggs. And then, meron kaming naiwan dito na corn. I will also cook it for Celine. Tapos, magluluto lang ako, nagsaing ako ng kanin kasi dinala ko yung ating bulalo kanina. Marami pang sabaw, guys. My God, I'm so excited para sa hapunan. Kahit wala ng meat for me, yung sabaw lang is enough na for me. Naalala ko ang luto ng aking mama at saka papa. Yeah. I'll give it to Ate. Give to Ate. Okay, we'll see if she will give it to you.
Hello?
Hang on, we'll see if she give it to you.
Yes.
Celine, this is for Ate Paris, okay?
And I'll eat it.
You give it Ate Paris. You ask it. No, so give it to me, Celine.
Can you give it to me?
Okay. See, come here. See, ask for it now,
Slim, can I have the biscuit?
please.
No, no,
He caved it.
No prank.
Again.
We'll see if she'll give it. You ask for it nicely.
Can you have it? Can I have it, please? I think Slim hold it too tight. Give it to me.
Celine's got a really good grip. Aww. Say thank you, Ate.
Thank you.
Thank you, Lini.
That's okay. That's okay. I can eat it like this. Look at this.
Well done, baby girl.
I can eat both at the same time.
Okay, sure, babe. Show Tita and Tito your biscuit. I can't see you. Andito ang ating sabaw. Yung sabaw, guys, seriously, it reminds me talaga sa luto ng mama ko ba?
Hey, we're just at morning time school.
Uy.
Just kidding.
Ay, Josh, obo. Have a look na. Paris, careful yan, anak.
Crispy crab.
Ay, Josh, obo na yun.
Love you.
Love you. I love you. Okay, I'll put water na. We'll put water. Your water bottle. Huh? Have a look, see? Uy. Careful because it's hot. Uy! Hang on. Ashush! Thirsty, di ay? Hold on, baby. Uhawagod ni mo na. Uhawagod ni mo, God. Ashush! Uhaw.